What's up, y'all? This is Alan. I've got another welding machine out here I was going to use right quick. This is from YesWelder. Really sharp looking machine. I just got it set up and ran one little pass trying to get it figured out on the wire speed and everything. It's a real nice setup. It's real sharp looking. It's like it look like a Power Ranger or something. And I figured you had to go here to do your voltage. And I hadn't messed with anything else yet. I'm just getting it set up to run MIG. I like that front on there. It's got the heavy duty, the larger gun, torch, whatever you want to call it. That lead feels real nice too. And it's a little bit longer. It seems like it's longer than normal, which you usually get. Yeah, it's definitely a little longer. But it feels real good in your hand and everything. I mean, it feels nice. And I've only ran one pass. I was over here messing around trying to get some wire feed going. I knew about close where it would be. But either way, I've got a vertical set up here, as you can see, ready to weld out. And that's what we're gonna get started with on it, so let's get to it. It's coming along nice. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that wire feed up a little bit right there. We're gonna go ahead and get it welded out. I think we got it set good now. All right, I got it just about all put together, and I want to do this cutout to put on it. It's gonna be kind of the knockout style letters. As usual, just getting little pieces done at a time, going across it so it's not getting too hot in one spot. Also, I'm cleaning as I go. Like that Q on the end, I've pretty much cleaned it up already. Just because the piece is more stable. Plus, if you wait to the end to do all the cleaning with files, your hands are going to be hurting. Especially with those small files. It'll cramp your hands up after a couple hours. What I did with these little flames on the top, I just traced them off of my nameplate. So it's the same little setup as what's on there. Then once I got it all ready, I'm gonna put it on this back plate and paint that back plate red. And there it is. It came out real good. I used vinegar and a wire wheel to get all that mill scale and everything off the top plate. And this is the smoker all finished up. That weld machine did real good on everything. This is the 24 by 24 vertical. If you're looking for a smoker or something like this, I'll have my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email. This one has 4 racks, the diverter and the water pan in between, the basket and the ash pan. But I'll have my email in the description box if you're looking for a smoker or something. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.